Hi, welcome to the BBC Networking new website. This video has been put together to help you understand how to prepare and to create and upload your member profile section so that you have the most value out of this website. So here's a preliminary look at the beta site. We're not quite launched yet, but we're getting close. I want to show you the business directory section. Now what you're going to see here is some people who have uploaded some images that aren't the right size, have not inputted any image whatsoever, logo instead of a business card. But let's go down here. As you can see with these here, you're looking at business cards that have been uploaded properly, and they're looking good. So we can scroll down and see some more. My profile, for example, and when we go into click the card or whatever, there's a picture and logo information. You have phone number, clickable, so if someone's on a mobile device and they pull up your profile, all they need to do is click this and they'll be dialing you without having to type it in. Your website, notice that when you hover over top, the URL shows up in this bottom corner here automatically. Same with email and so forth. So it's very important that the business directory is the right images, the right sizes, everything sent in. These will be fixed because they and some have not entered any information yet. So it's very important that you organize this before we get going. Now when you're ready to do this, go to the main site, and then there's a hidden page here, so not just anyone can do it, but you do / and you write add-member. So this will take you to the input screen. This video will be, I'll put this video here once it's completed so that it's even, it's more logical. So right here, you want to input your first name and your last name. Here you want to write your club that you belong to in the BBC. You may belong to more than one, so list them all. This one here is your profession, so we're trying to organize everyone by categories. So if you're an accountant, write accountant. If you're internet marketing, internet marketing. If you're real estate, your real estate. Try to be broad, and we'll put everyone in the right type of categories. Now this next part here is upload business card image. This is the most critical part here to make the look and feel work. It's important because this is what's going to show your profile. It says here you want a low resolution JPEG, and you want a 250 by 150 pixels. That's the size of your business card. So if you can get an electronic copy of it, size it to 250 by 150 pixels. If you're not sure how to do this, here's a simple trick. Pull up this free online website called www.picresize.com. So PICRESIZE.com, and this will show up. All you want to do is you want to grab an image, say it's this one for example, and then we just hit continue. It's going to upload the image to this online software. You'd want to resize it for 250 by 150. So what I recommend is go to this section here, resize your picture, click down, hit custom size. Here you can put 250 by 150. Okay, see how it's there, estimated final, and then you would hit I'm done, and or you'll have to just crop it like this, and then hit I'm done, and what it'll do, and you decide you want to save it as a JPEG, a GIF. JPEG's pretty standard quality. If it's a large file, you may want to downgrade the quality, but safely to say for a business card, it shouldn't be more than 50k bytes. 100k bytes, that should be plenty. Okay, so there's a little trick for all your images. As we continue down, the next option here is I click the button to upload a picture thumbnail. So if you have a picture you want to profile on your website, you do that here. You can resize it first as I showed you. Again, low resolution JPEG, 150 by 150 pixels. Next is business name. So whatever business name you have, write it in here. Example, Smith Accounting Solutions. And if you have a logo, upload the logo right here. And again, low resolution, JPEG, not more than 300 by 300, otherwise it'll take up a significant part of your page. Now, name and title. For example, you know, Andy Bosner, if I could type, and my title is owner, you know, or accountant, or whatever, right? Whatever you're comfortable with. Your address, your city, postal code, phone number. Write your email address. Now, if you have a website, the best thing to do is just pull up your website, copy the URL here, and then just paste it in. This way, you know it's done properly. You got the http://www.businessseo.ca. That's done correctly. Now, here is a description of your products and services. Why someone would want to do business with you. I suggest bullet form. You know, just the meat and potatoes. Why someone would want to do business with you. Here we're trying to track just the birth month and date for the club purposes. Please also enter your page title. This is important. This will influence how Google searches and finds you. Now, page title. For example, like here's a Google search for restaurants. The stuff we see here, a quick SEO lesson. This is Google Places. There's a way to submit for that. But these here are websites that are being served up by Google organic search results. So this not a good example, but Ottawa restaurants, find an Ottawa restaurant at, this is the title of this web page. Okay, this, whatever you put in here, we're gonna do some SEO for you, and that'll show up in Google search results in that same place. We're also going to use this same thing as your URL. The most important thing is your title of your web page. That's what Google serves up first. The second thing it serves up is your URL. So what we're going to do is, if we can, you know, we're going to put obviously your website, but in this profile, it's going to be bbcnetworking.com/business directory / and then it's going to be your name hyphen whatever your keywords that we've identified. Okay, so then the third thing that's is very important here is an SEO description. Explain in 160 characters or less why someone should do business with you. 160 characters, not words. So for example here, this is the 160 characters that Google thinks is so important, is showing this in the search results. So people, when they're looking at this and they see your title and your URL, they're going to read this description, and if they like what they see, they're going to click and go to your website. If they don't like what they see, they'll go to the next guy. So this is extremely important. Spend some time, do this properly, put it there, hit submit. You've just uploaded your profile to the bbcnetworking.com website. It's a draft page ready to be uploaded. All we need to do is moderate it and do a little bit of formatting, and you'll be up and ready to go. So I hope this little video tutorial was helpful, and please take your time, gather your information, do one submission just if you can, unless you don't plan on being able to fill in a certain category for a while. It's just a lot of maintenance if we have to go back and forth for every member. Okay, so thanks again, and take care.